what it is, what's happening. Keep it G blog, man. Checking in, you know how I do. So I got some NBA Youngboy news. NBA Youngboy, it's some good news in his favor, and it's also some strange shit going on because he's actually scheduled in court today for his Baton Rouge case. Ain't no information come out yet. It might just be jury selection. But he's going to court in Baton Rouge for illegal firearms and illegal drugs. Then tomorrow, he is scheduled for trial in the California case. And that's a federal case. You know, the one when they pulled up on him and he took him on a chase and they found a gun in the car. The one he just sat on. So we got some information in that case that so basically right now, you know, before trial, all of the defense and the prosecution, they want to put their emotions in. So NBA Youngboy lawyers just put in a motion to get some evidence thrown out. And I'm going to get into it. Youngboy, Never Broke Again legal team, has filed paperwork in an effort to halt the government's attempts at introducing what is described as evidence of other acts in connection with his California case, including song lyrics. In a motion filed this month in opposition to the government's per-court documents viewed by Complex, it's noted that Youngboy, whose real name is Kentrell Golden, is charged with having possessed a specific FN 45 caliber pistol and ammo within the Central District of California. The defense was requesting that the court take action to prevent the government's desire to have evidence of other acts presented during trial, including the following: song lyrics, info related to a separate pending case in Louisiana, and an unprosecuted event in Philadelphia, and social media activity. Specifically mentioned in the defense memo are the tracks Gunsmoke and Life Support. Per the defense, while an FNN is indeed mentioned in Gunsmoke, lyrics, for example, this piece of art was released prior to purchasing of an ultimately seized FN gun in the case. Life Support, meanwhile, including a reference to Shine Jewelers. With the defense noting Youngboy does not dispute the commercial relationship between himself and Shine. All told, the court has the authority to exclude marginally relevant evidence when its probative value is substantially outweighed by its prejudicial effect, which will occur when the hardcore rap lyrics are presented to this jury. The government previously argued the defendant prior acts are admissible because they are intrinsically entwined with the charged crime, or because they serve a permissible purpose, mentioned in court documents viewed by Complex. The application of a four-part test, it claims, is used to determine potentially admissible of such so-called evidence. In a filed version of its argument, the government claims it agrees that introducing entire songs would amount to an unfairly prejudicial action. Instead, the government has claimed it may introduce select lyrics, with paperwork filed on Monday also mentioning the song Lonely Child. Trial is listed in recent court documents as being set to begin this week. Stay tuned for additional updates. I'm going to have them updates. As for the larger issue of artistic expression being criminalized in the U.S. justice system, the tactic, though widely criticized, is nothing new. Recently, for example, the targeting of art in criminal cases received renewed attention amid coverage of the YSL RICO case in Young Thug and Gunna. That case helped spur the Protect Black Art petition, which Young Thug himself expressed support for in a pre-recorded message aired at Hot 97 Summer Jam. In May, New York State's attorney approved a bill that limits the use of lyrics as evidence by requiring proof of such work being literal. Later that month, Bobby Shmurda was asked by TMZ about the bill, revealing he was grateful for its passage, while also pushing for other states to take similar actions to protect art. I feel like rap is targeted the most, he said at the time. So everybody know, man, Youngboy has, I call him the Teflon Don. And for people who don't know, the younger generation, if you don't know who the Teflon Don is, that's John Gotti. So John Gotti beat so many murder cases, they start saying he basically was untouchable. And that's kind of what we witnessing with Youngboy right now. I mean, he even had case after case. Big boy shit. I got my own personal feelings about it. I ain't gonna get into it on this video. But he have got off on big boy charges. It seems like he always find a way to slide through the cracks. But it seems like to me that California is trying to nail him. Now, in the Louisiana case that he's in court for today, he actually got some lyrics thrown out. So, I mean, not some lyrics. He got some fingerprints evidence thrown out. So, they're basically just taking him to court on lyrics. And I don't think this shit is right, man. I don't think it's fair how the U.S. Justice Department is criminalizing, black art. Rap music in particular. Gangster rap music in particular. It's like they're not doing this to no other genre of music. Now you got Youngboy on trial 2 days in a row. Like, I don't even know how this shit gonna work. Cause I know one is state and one is federal. But I'm 100% sure that the federal is gonna override the state. So worst case scenario, if he catch time on both cases, he's going to the feds, which is always a better option because, it's better to be in federal penitentiaries than it is a state. You got more access to things. But the way they treating Youngboy and the way they treating rap music in general, yo, is fucked up, yo, because, you can do the same thing with rock and roll. I don't know why none of these defense attorneys went to court and say, man, I'm using ghostwriters. Like, that's an easy defense to this. He don't write his own lyrics, Sean. Somebody else wrote this. He just rapping it. I don't know. You probably had to prove that shit in court. But it's just fucked up, yo, how they criminalizing rap music right now, man. I wish Youngboy the best, man. He got an uphill battle. Fighting two cases at the same time. And those two cases knew about each other. Louisiana knew what the feds was doing. They did that on purpose. They try to keep them tangled up in some type of web. But let me know what y'all feel about this, man. Do y'all think NBA Youngboy is going to get off? How y'all feel about them criminalizing rap music? Let me know in the comments, man. Keep it G blog, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And I'm out.